Desmodus rotundus, the smallest known to date. In addition, it is one of the smallest mammals. Its body length is about 3 centimeters, and its wingspan is about 13 centimeters. It is so small that it is sometimes called the bumblebee bat. Among its characteristic features are a nose resembling a pig nose, hence the name pig-nosed, the complete absence of a tail, as well as large ears with a convex tragus, or protrusion on the auricle. These bats are only found in the Sayak National Park in Thailand and parts of Myanmar. They hunt insects using echolocation. Only about 500 individuals on the planet. Suncus etruscus, the smallest of the currently known mammals. Her body weight does not exceed 1.8 grams, and the maximum body length is 4.5 centimeters. The shrew moves very fast and has an extremely high metabolic rate, which causes it to eat twice its own weight in food. So, this crumb has to eat up to 25 times a day, hunting for insects, young frogs and lizards. The habitat ranges from northern Nigeria, Algeria and southern Western Europe to southern China, the island of Taiwan and southern Japan. Salpingotus Michaelis, an Asian rodent from the jerboa family, is the smallest rodent in the world. The body length does not exceed 3.6 cm. The tail is up to 7 cm long. The belocust in jerboa is distributed in Pakistan, Afghanistan, at altitudes from 1,000 to 1,600 meters above sea level. The lifestyle of the belocust in jerboa is little studied. It is known that these are herbivorous, predominantly nocturnal, pack animals living in loosely spaced colonies. They can jump almost 3 meters in length, using powerful hind legs for propulsion and a long tail as a balance. Dwarf guinea pigs were relatively recently separated into an independent family from the possum family Phalangeridae. These are small animals weighing from 6 to 80 grams with a body length of 6 to 12 cm and a tail of 6 to 17 cm. They are found in eastern Australia and New Guinea. They are characterized by a conical head with a short muzzle, large eyes, and short rounded ears. The tail is long, thin and grasping. On the hind limbs, the thumbs are opposed. The wool is soft and thick. In females, a well-developed brood pouch opens forward. Fertilized eggs, like many discoid marsupials, go through a period of diapause. Dwarf cuscus are insectivorous. They also feed on nectar and lizards. These are nocturnal animals that lead an arboreal lifestyle. American shrew mole Neurotrichus gibbsii, insectivorous mammal of the mole family. The body length of the animal is 10 cm, including a 3 cm tail, and weighs about 10 grams, has an elongated muzzle, very small eyes. The forelegs are only slightly widened and less suitable for digging than those of other moles. The fur is thick and soft. Color varies from dark gray to black. Distributed in Canada, British Columbia, and the USA, California, Oregon, Washington. Lives in damp habitats with soft soil. These animals can swim well and climb bushes. They are both diurnal and nocturnal and live in small groups. The American shrew mole consumes earthworms, insects, snails, and slugs. In addition, it eats plant seeds, fungi, and lichens. Mouse lemur, the smallest primate in the world. It got its name from its small and graceful muzzle resembling a mouse. It feeds on a variety of foods, including fruits, insects, small rodents, and eggs. They may also feed on juice and nectars obtained from flowers. The diet of mouse lemurs can vary by season and food availability. They live in a variety of environments, including rainforests, savannas, and thickets. They are found in various regions of Madagascar and number about 25 species. Mouse lemurs are nocturnal animals and spend most of their lives in trees, usually at a height of 5 to 15 meters. In their habitat, they can be found both in groups and alone. Like many other species of lemurs, they are under threat due to the destruction of their natural habitat as a result of deforestation and other forms of human impact. Calothrix pygmaea. This is the smallest monkey in the world that lives in the rainforests of Brazil. They weigh only 100 to 120 grams, and their body length is only 13 to 15 cm. Marmosets are very cute and attractive, with soft fur and a long tail. They lead a social lifestyle and live in small groups of 2 to 6 individuals. They feed on fruits, insects, leaves, and flowers. They also play an important role in seed dispersal and flower pollination. Unfortunately, their numbers are threatened due to the destruction of their natural habitat. Currently included in the International Red Book and considered vulnerable species. Vulpes zerda. This is not a fox, but a small desert fox, which is the smallest of all existing fox species. It lives in the deserts of North Africa and the Sinai Peninsula. They weigh only about 1 to 1.5 kilograms and have a body length of 30 to 40 cm. They have very large ears that help them hunt insects and listen to sounds in their environment. They also have a fluffy white tail that helps keep them warm on cold desert nights. They are active at night and spend most of their time looking for food, which can include insects, small rodents, birds, and plant foods, including fruits and roots. They live in burrows that can be up to 120 meters long. They are included in the International Red Book and are considered a vulnerable species. Michaelis rubiginosus is a small cat native to Southeast Asia, including Indonesia, Thailand, and Malaysia. It got its name from its reddish-brown coat. Rusty cats have a body length of about 50 cm and weigh up to 3 kilograms. They have a short, dense, and soft coat that helps them protect themselves from heat and cold. Rusty cats are very agile and fast, which helps them to hunt insects, small rodents, birds, and fish. They lead a secretive lifestyle and prefer to live in dense thickets of forests and bamboo thickets. They hunt themselves, but sometimes they can also eat carrion. Rusty cats are endangered as a result of the destruction of their natural habitat and hunting for them due to the local tradition of using their skins for clothing. Included in the International Red Book. Pygmaeus. This is a mammal from the sloth family that lives in the tropical forests of South and Central America. This species is one of the smallest among the sloths. They have a body length of 18 to 23 cm and weigh only about 250 grams. They have long claws and dense hair that help them roll over and move through trees. They spend most of their time in trees, where they feed on leaves and shoots. These animals are very slow and passive and can sleep up to 15 hours a day. They live alone and make almost no sound. Pygmy sloths are also known for their outstanding ability to camouflage among the leaves of trees due to their coat color and texture. Pygmy sloths are endangered due to the destruction of their natural habitat, illegal hunting, and trade in them as pets. Included in the Red List of the International Union for Conservation of Nature.